Good evening, friends. This is I'm Raja Avula. Welcome to Rise IAS Online. This Rise IAS Online you can download from the Google Play Store. So you will get information. Now we are going to discuss Telangana movement. Today's topic is Telangana movement. Especially in the Telangana movement, the topic was Telangana Information Trust. Telangana Information Trust. How this Telangana Information Trust played a role for the Telangana movement. Especially this Telangana Information Trust established in 1987. That was established in the 1987 July 14. That related to the second movement, second generation movement. That is mobilization period from 1972 to 1992 or 1971 to 1990. 1971 to 1992. This is second phase. During the mobilization period, Telangana Information Trust was established. It played vital role for the giving information and giving information and also inspiration to the movement. It gave more information as well as more inspiration to the movement. Coming to the point of Telangana Information Trust, it was initially established an academic organization. Later, it worked for the Telangana movement. This academic organization worked for the Telangana movement. For the purpose of the study of Telangana, the complete Telangana information we can take from the Telangana Information Trust. So it is also called as Hoard of Telangana Information. That was Hoard of the Telangana Information Trust. Telangana information or Telangana knowledge. So this Telangana Information Trust, how it used to prepare for the Telangana TSPSC Group-1 or Group-2 and other examinations. For example, for Group-1 examination, they may ask the role of Telangana Information Trust, TIT, in mobilization period. That may ask for the Group-1 examination, and for the Group-2 examination, a question may ask in any corner. For Group-1 examination, you have to read concepts and analysis. Group-1 mains, especially Group-1 mains, concepts and analysis. For Group-2, you have to gather more and more information for the Group-2 point of view. So we will discuss for Group-1 and Group-2 other TSPSC examination model. For example, coming to the point of Group-1, the role of the Telangana Information Trust in the Telangana movement. For that, for all exams, you have to know the establishment of Telangana Information Trust. Establishment of Telangana Information Trust. This was one point. And what were the conditions paved for the establishment of the Information Trust, and also causes, conditions and causes. Second, what are the aims of Telangana Information Trust? What are the aims for the establishment of this Telangana Information Trust? Next, another point to know, personalities, those who are involved. Personalities, those who are involved in the establishment of the Telangana Information Trust and to run the Telangana Information Trust. Another point to discuss, activities of Telangana Information Trust. Activities and programs. What the activities they conducted, what are the programs they conducted in the Telangana movement period. And finally, what was the impact of this Telangana Information Trust. So these are the things to discuss today. Yes, coming to that point, first to establishment of Telangana Information Trust. Establishment of the Telangana Information Trust, it established in 1987, July 14th. Why needed for the establishment of the Telangana Information Trust? If you coming to that point, for any movement or for anything, you need some information to know. దేనికైనా సరే మనకు ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలి. ఒక ఉద్యమం చేయాలంటే ఆ ఉద్యమానికి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలి. ఇఫ్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఏ మూమెంట్, యూ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ సమ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ టు స్టార్ట్ దట్ మూమెంట్, టు మొబలైజ్ ద పీపుల్. Without knowing any information, blindly going to the movement is completely waste. So, information needed for the Telangana movement. That information was given by the Telangana Information Trust. So, to gather the information, initially to give information to the Telangana people, it established as an academic organization. Giving information, giving material, giving books like that, publishing the books, publishing the material like that. So, coming to the point of the information, even till today, ee roju kuda, if you search for the internet, తెలంగాణ గురించి మీరు ఇంటర్నెట్లో ఇప్పుడు వెతికినా కూడా అంత మంచి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది, మీకు కరెక్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది ఈ రోజుకి దొరకట్లేదు. సో ఆ రోజుట్లో ఎలా ఉంటుందో యూ కెన్ ఇమాజిన్ హౌ దట్ పీరియడ్. సో people, they suffered to know about the Telangana information. For that, it was given a life or oxygen for the Telangana movement. Telangana Information Trust, it was given oxygen for the Telangana movement. And aims. What are the aims for the establishment of this Telangana Information Trust? The first one is to collect information. To collect information. This was one thing, to collect the information. First aim, to collect the information. Second, to bring this information to the common people. The collected information bringing to the common people, common man. And third one, research on the information, research on different informations or research on different activities or different problems of Telangana, and what are that is what injustice, where injustice occurred to the తెలంగాణకి ఎక్కడెక్కడ అన్యాయం జరిగిందో తెలుసుకోవాలి, దాని మీద రీసెర్చ్ చేయాలి. రీసెర్చ్ చేసి injustice and also regional imbalances. Knowing the injustice and also regional imbalances. And another aim, publishing the information through the papers. Publishing this information through the papers, journals, and also pamphlets. Papers, journals, and also pamphlets. So publishing information in all these areas. And finally, conducting meetings on issues. conducting meetings on issues. Conducting meetings on issues, these are the aims. The first aim is to collect the information. Primarily information has to collect that information to bringing to the common people, and after knowing the information where Telangana people are going to be trouble, Telangana information injustice టు ద తెలంగాణ పీపుల్, ఎక్కడికి తెలంగాణ పీపుల్ వాళ్ళకి అన్జస్టిస్ జరిగింది, ఎక్కడెక్కడ రీజనల్ ఇంబ్యాలెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి, వీటన్నిటిని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి ఒక రీసెర్చ్ చేయడం. ఆ రీసెర్చ్ చేసినటువంటి దట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ పబ్లిషింగ్ టు ద పేపర్స్. ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకొచ్చి పేపర్స్లో పబ్లిష్ చేయడము, జర్నల్స్లో పబ్లిష్ చేయడము, పాంప్లెట్స్లో పబ్లిష్ చేయడము. నెక్స్ట్ కండక్టింగ్ ద మీటింగ్స్. ద ఫిఫ్త్ వన్ ఈజ్ కండక్టింగ్ ద మీటింగ్స్. ఇవన్నీ తెలిసిన తర్వాత మీటింగ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేసి కామన్ పీపుల్కి చెప్పడం. So these are the things, aims for the after the establishment of the Telangana Information Trust. So after the aims, coming to the point of the personalities, those who are involved in the Telangana Information Trust. Personalities. Who were the personalities? Especially personalities involved: Kaloji Narayanrao. Kaloji Narayanrao. Kaloji Narayanrao, he was a famous poet. You know that. Kaloji Narayanrao, initially he supported for the Vishalandra movement. Which was from 1950 to 1955, there was Vishalandra movement. Initially, Kaloji Narayanrao, he supported for the Vishalandra movement. Later, he known and he realized, he turned into the Telanganite. మొదట విశాలాంధ్ర ఉద్యమానికి సపోర్ట్ చేశాడు, తర్వాత తెలంగాణ వాదయ్యాడు కాళోజీ నారాయణరావు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ కాళోజీ నారాయణరావు, కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ది పర్సనాలిటీస్. Second personality to discuss, Professor Jayasankar sir. You know that Professor Jayasankar sir, very known. అందరికీ ఈయన గురించి బాగా తెలుసు. ప్రొఫెసర్ జయశంకర్ సార్, ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ మూమెంట్. తర్వాత నందిని సిద్ధారెడ్డి, అనదర్ పర్సన్. నందిని సిద్ధారెడ్డి, ప్రొఫెసర్ జయశంకర్ సార్, నందిని సిద్ధారెడ్డి. He was a writer, song writer. నాగేటి సాలల్లో నా తెలంగాణ song was written by నందిని సిద్ధారెడ్డి. తోట ఆనందరావు, he was also another personality involved in the establishment of the Telangana Information Trust. Tota Anandra, he was a guru of Professor Jayasankar sir. Jayasankar sir ke guru veena, Professor Jayasankar sir ke guru Tota Anandra. Next after this, Tota Anandra, actually Tota Anandra, he worked as a teacher in the city high school. He worked as a teacher in the city high school. సిటీ హై స్కూల్లో టీచర్గా వర్క్ చేశాడు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రొఫెసర్ వర్క్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ ప్రొఫెసర్ ఇన్ ద ఓయూ, ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీలో ప్రొఫెసర్గా పనిచేశాడు. 1952 ముల్కీ నాన్ ముల్కీ మూమెంట్, హీ ఆల్సో పార్టిసిపేటెడ్ ఫర్ ద ముల్కీ నాన్ ముల్కీ మూమెంట్. హిస్ వైఫ్ బంటు కనకదుర్గ, షీ వాజ్ రైటింగ్ ఆర్టికల్స్ ఇన్ ద Namaste Telangana paper. Next after this, Professor Tota Anandarao, another person, Professor Simhadri, another person. This Professor Simhadri, And also Konda Madhav Reddy. You know that Konda Madhav Reddy, he was son of Konda Venkat Rangareddy, Konda KV Rangareddy. Konda Madhav Reddy, son of KV Rangareddy. KV Rangareddy worked as a deputy CM. Konda Madhav Reddy, he worked as a High Court Justice. Later he turned into the Telangana movement. Professor Lakshman, he was also called as Gaddam Lakshman or Gudisala Lakshman, Gaddam Lakshman, Professor Lakshman. OU Forum for Telangana, he established OU Forum for Telangana, Professor Lakshman. Professor Madhav Reddy, Professor Madhav Reddy. Professor Madhusudan Reddy. Professor Madhusudan Reddy. Madhusudan Reddy, he was OU, he was also OU professor. Professor Madhusudan Reddy. And Professor Tirupati Reddy. Professor Tirupati Reddy. He also worked for the Telangana Information Trust. E.V. Padmanabham. E.V. Padmanabham, he was journalist and also he was the editor of Flash and Fellowman paper run by Padmanabham, E.V. Padmanabham. Sangam Reddy Satyanarayan Reddy. Sangam Reddy Satyanarayana. Sangam Reddy Satyanarayana. He was also called as Muchala Satyanarayana, MP from Warangal Urban. Originally, Sangam Reddy Satyanarayana, he was a drama artist. He entered into the politics. He became MP, raised up to the style of the MP. Professor Kodandaram. Finally, Professor Kodandaram. So these were involved in the Telangana Information Trust establishment. Nandini Siddhareddy, Professor Jayasankar sir, and Kaloji Narayan Rao, Tota Ananda Rao, next Professor Simhadri, Professor Madhav Reddy, Professor Lakshman, Professor Madhusudan Reddy, and E.V. Padmanabham, Sangam Reddy Satyanarayana. These were the people mainly worked for the establishment of the Telangana Information Trust. You know, we discussed the people, those who are worked for the establishment of the Telangana Information Trust. Next to Telangana Information Trust programs and activities. Coming to the point of the programs and activities of Telangana Information Trust. What are the programs they conducted? What are the activities they conducted? So first meeting of Telangana Information Trust was held at Basant Talkies. First meeting held at Basant Talkies. 1989 August 13th. First meeting held at Basant Talkies. In this first meeting, they started a paper, magazine called Ma Telangana. Ma Telangana magazine started during this meeting. Ma Telangana paper, it was a magazine inaugurated by the people and it continued for 7 volumes. 7 శీర్షికలు ఇది వచ్చింది. 7 volumes continued for the 7 times, 7 volumes. Collected information on Telangana. This paper was started and edited by Kaloji Narayan Rao. Ma Telangana paper started by Kaloji Narayan Rao. Remember. and editor E.V. Padmanabham. Sorry, Prabhakar. Editor not E.V. Padmanabham. Editor Prabhakar. Telangana Prabhakar. He was called as Telangana Prabhakar. Prabhakar. Telangana Teachers Association. In here, Telangana Teachers Association book also published. In 1969 movement, they wrote book about the 1969 movement. That book was published by Telangana Teachers Association. Telangana Teachers Association published a book. And Telangana Teachers Association, along with this, they collected some papers. Earlier, Professor Ram Reddy, Professor G. Ram Reddy. Professor G. Ram Reddy, he established a paper called Prasaditya paper. Who was this Professor G. Ram Reddy? Professor G. Ram Reddy, on the name of Professor G. Ram Reddy, you can find Center for Distance Education, PGRRCDE, in Usmania University. You know that PGRRCDE. Professor G. Ram Reddy Center for Distance Education. ఆయన పేరు మీద ఇది కూడా ఉంది. And he was also co-brother of Dr. C. Narayan Reddy. And he worked as a Vice Chancellor. Vice Chancellor building also on his name. Professor G. Ram Reddy పేరు మీద building కూడా ఉంది. So he collected information and published a paper called Prasaditya. Remember, Prasaditya paper was edited and published by Professor G. Ram Reddy. So along with this Telangana Information Trust conducted meetings, published papers and books. Pamphlets also published on pamphlets. They also published pamphlets. These pamphlets published on SRC, States Reorganization Commission. How this States Reorganization Commission gave report and how Telangana faced injustice. Next, 1969, all party occurred. 1969 January 20, all party meeting was held. Based on this all party meeting, GO number 36 issued. This GO number 36 never and ever came into force. GO number 36 and GO number 16 both are same. Remember, this GO number 36 based on the water, Nilu, funds, Nidulu, and jobs, Niyamakal, water funds and recruitments. So how Telangana faced injustice, got injustice in these areas, even though the GO number 36 was issued in the all party meeting, it was never implemented and it became null and void. It became null and void later period. What GO number 36 says? GO number 36 says that the people, those who are illegally got jobs, injustice done to the Telangana, that should be justice, and the people, those who are there, non-locals are working as a locals, non-local jobs లో ఉన్నటువంటి లోకల్ అయినటువంటి ఆంధ్ర వాళ్ళని తిరిగి ఆంధ్రాకి పంపించాలి, లోకల్ జాబ్స్ అన్ని తెలంగాణ వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వాలి, లోకల్ జాబ్స్ షుడ్ బి గివెన్ టు ద లోకల్ పీపుల్. దట్ వాస్ GO number 36. So another thing, injustice to the Telangana in the power and irrigation. పవర్ ఇరిగేషన్లో కూడా తెలంగాణకి ఏ విధంగా అన్యాయం జరిగిందో చెప్పారు. అండ్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ బుక్ వాజ్ పబ్లిష్డ్. పర్స్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ Telangana. This book was also published. Perspective of Telangana. Telangana Movement and Investigation Focus. Another book. Telangana Movement. Telangana Movement and Investigative Focus. Investigative Focus. This book was also published by Telangana Information Trust. So this Telangana movement on public speeches of different people. తెలంగాణ మూమెంట్ మీద వేరే వేరే వాళ్ళు ఏ విధంగా చెప్పారు, తెలంగాణ మూమెంట్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేటివ్ ఫోకస్. దిస్ బుక్ గివ్స్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ స్పీచెస్. అంటే వేరే వేరే వ్యక్తులు ఇచ్చినటువంటి స్పీచెస్ వాటన్నింటినీ కలెక్ట్ చేసి ఈ బుక్గా తయారు చేశారు. 1969 May 20 YMCA Hall. 1969 movement. During the 1969 movement, May month 20th, there was a meeting of Telangana people at YMCA Hall. In that meeting, they delivered a speech on different issues. That different issues speech was published as Telangana Movement and Investigative Focus. దాన్ని అంటే వీళ్ళు ఇచ్చినటువంటి స్పీచెస్, ఒకరు వాటర్ మీద, ఒకరు జాబ్స్ మీద, ఒకరు అంటే అలాగే అన్జస్టిస్ ఎక్కడెక్కడైతే జరిగిందో ఆ ఏరియాస్ అన్నిటినీ కవర్ చేస్తూ స్పీచెస్ ఇచ్చారు. వాటన్నిటిని ఒక బుక్ లాగా తయారు చేశారు. దాన్ని తెలంగాణ మూమెంట్ అండ్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేటివ్ ఫోకస్ అన్నారు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ది ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అండ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంపాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ట్రస్ట్. Impact of Telangana Information Trust. How it impacted? The main impact of the Telangana Information Trust in 1980 decades, movement inspired by the people. In decade of 1980, for the inspiration of the Telangana people, Telangana Information Trust gave information. And here there were 3 decades and 3 important movements. 1987 Telangana Information Trust led the movement. మనకి ఇప్పుడు 3 తరాలు చూస్తే, 3 దశల్లో చూస్తే, it was in 1980 decade. 1980 decade, the complete movement was led by the Telangana Information Trust. Telangana Aikya Vedika, which was established in 1997. 1997 Telangana Aikya Vedika. This Telangana Aikya Vedika, it gave movement in the 1990s decade. Next, Vidyavantula Vedika, 2004 Vidyavantula Vedika. This 2000 decade. అంటే ఒక్కొక్క డికేడ్లో ఒక్కొక్కటి ఫేమస్ అయ్యాయి. 1980స్లో తెలంగాణ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ట్రస్ట్, 1990స్లో తెలంగాణ ఐక్య వేదిక, 2000లో తెలంగాణ విద్యావంతుల వేదిక. సో దీని ఇంపాక్ట్ ఏమైందంటే 1989 ఎలక్షన్స్, ఎస్పెషలీ 1989 ఎలక్షన్స్. ఎన్టీ రామారావు, బై దట్ టైమ్ ఎన్టీ రామారావు he made injustice to the Telangana people and he contested from the Telangana Kalvakurti, especially Kalvakurti. Here in the Kalvakurti, the opposition of NT Ramarao, Chittaranjan, a person who was అన్నోన్ పర్సన్, చిత్తరంజన్ అని ఒక అన్నోన్ పర్సన్ పెట్టినా కూడా చిత్తరంజన్ గెలిచాడు. అంటే ఎన్టీ రామారావు అప్పుడు నా చెప్పు పెట్టినా కూడా నేను గెలుస్తాను అనేటటువంటి పొగరు, తర్వాత రెండోది తెలంగాణకు అతను చేసినటువంటి అన్యాయం, ఇవన్నీ తెలంగాణ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ట్రస్ట్ ప్రజల్లోకి తీసుకెళ్ళి ఎన్టీ రామారావును ఓడించింది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇంపాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది తెలంగాణ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ట్రస్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ తెలంగాణ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ట్రస్ట్. ముఖ్యంగా తెలంగాణ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ట్రస్ట్లో ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంటు, దాంట్లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయినటువంటి పీపుల్, దాని ప్రోగ్రామ్స్, దాని ఇంపాక్ట్ మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఓకే, గుడ్ లక్.